Machiegni e paw tuke kuma tim mar Gor Mahia nodhiamodhi ma onge gol gi tim mar Bidco e tugo mar lig ma FKF. Timbe ariyogo duto nowito thuolo mag loyo. E tugo machielo Posta Rangers noloyo Bandari gonde 2-0 eka Police FC odhiamodhi gol 1 gi Talanta FC. Tusker noloyo Paka gol 1-0.
Are not a rollover by any means. They've only lost one game this season and that continues. They've had a reasonably tight defence, and yeah, look, we also played them in pre-season and that was sort of a tie as well. Each team sort of won one half, so we knew it was going to be really tight today. Full credit to them, you know, they covered in well.
We deserved to win, but we didn't score goals, so we didn't win. We've shared a point each, but it was an even match, a balanced match, but kulikuwa na